Are you ready for the most jaw-dropping camera leak of 2025? The Fujifilm X-H3 is creating waves with a rumored 50-megapixel stacked sensor and jaw-dropping 8K video at 60 frames per second. And today, I'm going to break down every single detail that could completely change the game for photographers and filmmakers alike. This isn't just another camera. It's shaping up to be a revolution. Before we dive deep, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because here at Technify, we bring you the hottest leaks and breakdowns in the camera world every single week. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The first big leak is a next-gen stacked, backside illuminated X-trans CMOS sensor, reportedly pushing 45 to 50 megapixels. But this isn't only about raw resolution. This new stacked architecture could mean faster processing, outstanding low-light performance, and the kind of speed that wildlife and sports shooters dream about. Imagine cropping deep into your shots without losing quality, all while keeping the legendary speed Fujifilm is known for. Here's where it gets wild. 8K video at 60 frames per second, recorded internally, with 10-bit 4:2:2 color and even Apple ProRes support. Some sources are hinting at RAW recording options too. Think about filming a wedding, then zooming in on emotional moments, close-ups of the rings, or reactions, without ever losing pristine quality. It's like having multiple cameras packed into one. For photographers, the rumored burst speed could be a game-changer, 30 to 40 frames per second, blackout-free. Picture tracking a cheetah sprinting. You'll get an uninterrupted view while capturing frame after frame in perfect detail. Sports and wildlife shooters are going to love this. The in-body stabilization system is said to be overhauled with smarter algorithms, making handheld video at long focal length smooth and cinematic. Imagine walking through low-light environments with a 200mm lens handheld and still getting silky stable footage. This is huge for creators who don't want to lug around heavy rigs. Fujifilm is rumored to be introducing AI-driven subject tracking that doesn't just follow your subject, it predicts movement. Shooting sports? The autofocus might switch focus to the next player even before the pass happens. For wildlife, it could anticipate where your subject is heading. This is autofocus on another level. Pixel shift multi-shot could also push resolution into insane territory. Rumors suggest composite images exceeding 150 megapixels. This means architectural photographers, fashion shooters, and artists could create work detailed enough for massive billboards, without stepping into medium format territory. On the connectivity side, the Fujifilm X-H3 is expected to bring modern essentials. USB-C, full-size HDMI, dual card slots for heavy data loads, plus Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 for lightning-fast wireless transfers. Everything you'd expect from a flagship in 2025. And one more mysterious detail. Insiders are whispering about a completely reimagined ergonomic and interface design, something that could make shooting feel entirely new. If true, this wouldn't just be about specs. It could redefine how we use cameras altogether. And that wraps up our look at the leaks, rumors, and insider details surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 6. From rugged durability to improved connectivity, dual-screen familiarity, and that mysterious pill-shaped component, DJI is clearly preparing to make a bold statement. Add in the hints of 2 battery sizes, pointing to both a standard and pro model, and this launch is shaping up to be one of the most exciting action camera reveals in years. Of course, as with any leaks, it's important to stay cautious until the official announcement drops. But when leaks are this sharp and this consistent, you can't help but feel that DJI is letting the hype build on purpose. And honestly, it's working. The suspense is real, and the excitement is through the roof. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think that pill-shaped design element could be? A new sensor? Gesture controls? Or maybe something completely different? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to see your theories. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Technify for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the latest tech. Big things are coming, and you won't want to miss what's next.